Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monroe Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan, home of the Mustangs, part of the Bedford School District. And this is my second time here, this time in person physically. Last school year was actually virtually, and we talked about positivity, being our best self. And today we took it up a level, focusing on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. And so just right here in their school lobby by the entranceway. The assembly though today was in the gymnasium with the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. And the main focus was on leadership, right? We talked about turning our passion into our purpose. The shirt that I wear for this assembly, the peace sign's in the shape of a heart, because that's where our passion resides in all of our hearts, where we have to really kind of understand our gifts, our talents, our abilities, what we love to do, what brings that life and fire. But it's also different colors because there's so many different ways that we can be leaders, right? Some of us lead more vocally, like myself as a youth speaker, but other people just lead by their actions, right? Through their examples. And we know that there's no wrong way to lead as long as we're trying to lead in a positive way. And this world desperately needs more and more leaders. So I was just so blessed to be able to return here and get to share my heart with everyone. There was a lot of pin drop moments and students that came up to me afterwards, some in tears, something that touched their heart. And I just was able to kind of reflect what they were going through at that time, but they're understanding that even one small action can make a huge, huge difference in people's lives. And even at a young age, we can already get the wheels turning as to what it is that we're passionate about, what we love to do, and try to make that, our purpose, why we're here on this earth, what we're even called to do, called to serve, and to already start thinking that way, especially being so young, that's huge. I mean, that's just awesome that some of these students come up to me and say, Mr. Peace, I love reading. That's my passion. I want to start helping students, that are younger than me learn to read better, or they love basketball and they want to look at, there's some camps this summer to help coach younger students and learn, teach them drills and skills. And so it's really humbling for me to see that we have such great leaders up and coming, especially here near Bedford, Michigan. The other part of the equation though is really knowing that we have to help others, right? It's not just about us, but we're here to help others. Like Dr. King said, he said the most important question in life is, what are you doing for others? It's not just about ourselves. We really tried to push and hammer home the concept of people first and things second today as well, which means that we look to make people our priority. Our families, our friends, our classmates, everyone in our lives, that we have to make that a focal point and really go and try to live that, because so many people need us. And it also starts with understanding our worth, our power, how unique and special we are. That ties into this concept. All of us have the letter M etched on our palms with the lines of our hand. We all have the letter M, right? With the lines of our hands, some of us have more than one, but we have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. But that M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, meaning that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. We have to buy into that. We have to really truly believe that, because so many people around us just don't. And we have to be that light to their heart, be able to reflect that. And that takes courage. It takes courage to stand up for what's right. It takes courage to do the right thing even when no one's watching, and to really make it our mission to be others' helping hands, right? If we're just helping one person a day, then we're doing our job as human beings here on this planet. And that was really just what I wanted to leave them and instill in them today, was this message of, hey, yes, we might be only 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, but we have the opportunity, to just make a difference on someone's heart, do something positively for them that could last a lifetime. And to know that power, to really believe it, to go and live that message, that's incredible. So thank you guys so much again for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Remember to keep doing things for the right reason, not just for the trophies or for the accolades or the awards, a certificate on the wall, but we're doing things because it's the right thing to do. Have a great rest of the school year, great summer break too. Hope to see you again next year. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this, where you can track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.